Hello guys, this time I will present you a small but very nice and functional 3D printer. Well, you can buy this printer from Amazon for a price less than $150. This mini 3D printer, with offers smooth and alive printing quality, a perfect D kit for beginners, kids, teens to D projects like toys, artworks, crafts or samples. The 0.4mm nozzle of Labust's mini desktop 3D printer D kit reaches its operating temperature in just 3 minutes. A high-quality power supply below 30 watts makes it super energy-saving and safe to use. Mini 3D printer D kit consists of 3 main parts and can be assembled in just 5 minutes according with this video. Well, now it only remains to leave you with the rest of the assembly video of this beautiful 3D printer. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more content.